How to find Instagram's not interested videos and posts. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll show you how you can find the post that you have marked as uninterested on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if I show you what the issue is over here, let's say I open up Instagram, maybe I go to the explore feed and then I just open up a random post. So let's say this dressy one over here, and then I tap on the three dot on the top right hand side. Here you'll find the option called not interested, and if I mark this as not interested, one way I can quickly remove this is to simply tap on this undo button over here. So once I undo that, the not interested mark is going to get removed. But let's say that after you mark this as not interested, again you fail to actually find it. So I'll just go ahead and cross this out. So I will show you where you can find all of the posts that you have marked as not interested. Now just for a thumbs up, I'll also try to go ahead and mark other posts. So I'll just go ahead and choose the option called not interested over here. So let me also just go ahead and then choose other random posts over here to show you guys. So as you can see, I've marked a couple of posts as not interested, and then if I want to find it, first come to your profile page over here, then tap on the three lines on the top right hand side of the screen. Here you'll find the option called your activity, so just go to it. Once you go to your activity, here you'll find the option called interactions, so tap on interactions, and then here you'll find the option called not interested. Now when you go to this not interested section, as you said earlier, the post and the videos that I marked as not interested will basically appear over here. So as you can clearly see over here, now if I want to select it, I can go ahead and then select that as well, and then I can remove it from my not interested section, and Instagram is going to reset it from my not interested. Now this is a new feature because previously Instagram did not allow us to mark and then again remove it from not interested section, but now we have this feature. It's a great update by Instagram, so always make sure that you're constantly updating the Instagram app as well. That's all it takes to find the not interested posts and videos on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.